Okay, guys, yesterday's trading activities was really a banger for us within the Telegram channel. Okay, we actually did analysis. I also I did the analysis on the video I posted yesterday. If you guys also followed my video, you would have seen the signals, even if you are not within the Telegram channel. But those that are in the Telegram channel, I gave them the exact CP, the exact entry point, and everything, and of course they made a lot of profit yesterday. Yesterday's trading activities happened to the third day, which we are eating this getting a lot from days back to back. Okay, we are achieving a lot with these back to back for the past 3 days right now. And I'm really happy about this. Congratulations to those of you within the Telegram channel. If you are not there, make sure you join right now. Okay, so I will be analyzing those three things which I was able to put in place in order for me to achieve this yesterday. And we will check out how you too can also do it on your own. And of course, guys, we will also check out other assets which we can benefit from today. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, can you drop your question down there in the comment section? I will be there to reply you. Okay. So, and of course, guys, you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay. So, my WhatsApp number is here. Okay. So guys, this is my WhatsApp number. So you can reach out to me via WhatsApp in case you have any personal request. Okay, so you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. So let's go back to what we have right here. Okay. So guys, quickly, yesterday, because before I picked up my signal, I noticed that this was an uptrend for a while. This is Genex 1200 M15, that is 15-minute time frame. It was an uptrend for a while. However, it has got into the resistance zone. At this point, it was unable to break out above it. And if you should notice, this is giving us the M vibes. And if you should check out the big picture, okay, if you watch my video yesterday, you will notice I said something about this, the big picture yesterday, which is something unique. Okay, so this is the first thing I noticed. Okay, then the second thing was that this is coming from a major resistance zone. So if it's not going to break out above this major resistance zone, then it's going to change the direction of the trend. Okay, and the third thing was to wait for the trend to get started. Okay, so the trend gets started around here. Okay, which happened to, you can see it gave us the trend signal, which is red, and it means a downtrend at that particular point, and it gave us a red arrow at this point, which happened to be a sell signal. And what did I do in order for me to be sure that this is really going to sell for a while? Okay, I had to draw up this trend line. You can see this trend line, this particular trend line. I drew it up right from this support region down to the top. Okay, making sure it's meets up with these points, this point, and this point. Okay, so I had to wait for it to break out from there. So it broke out from there, and I started our entry point at this point and put our stop loss somewhere here, because this is 15-minute time frame. And of course, we got the first TP at this point, second TP, third TP, fourth TP, and of course the fifth TP. Okay, so we achieved all the 5 TPs yesterday. At the early hour of today, everything completed at the early hours of today. We were only able to achieve 3 yesterday night, but in the ninth, or probably at the early hour of today, we were able to achieve the fourth and the fifth TPs. Okay, so this is so amazing. Congratulations to those of you who are in the Telegram channel. Okay, so this is how I was able to generate the signal. So you too can also generate the signal on your own if you have something that can help you to analyze the market better. Like now, I am using the 3M custom made indicator, and which has been helping me to have a better analysis of the market. Okay, and of course you can notice, if you have been following up, you will notice the way I had to study the market, analyze it, and of course mark out my entry point, and of course the TPs that I aligned here. Okay, so this is very, very important. And of course, let's check out other assets. Another asset that is most likely to give us that kind of vibes that we had yesterday is that of the Guinness 999. It had been on uptrend for a while, spiking, okay? And of course, it has gotten to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there. So it's most likely to go back into a downtrend fully, okay? So, and as we can see, I think it is already mapping it out, okay? It is already mapping it out. And of course, we are most likely to see a strong sell right from there. Don't worry, it is possible for me. I mean, I will be giving us more info within the Telegram channel so that we can also take advantage of it. And if you're having this trading tool, or probably you have something better, or maybe the one you are used to, you can put an eye on this particular asset. We are most likely to have a very strong sell right from there. Okay, so watch out for that. Okay, now let's check out the next asset, which happens to be Paynex 999. Paynex 999 had been on downtrend for a very long time. If you remember very well, we also milked this particular asset a few days ago. And of course, I've been waiting for it to go into a full uptrend. Actually, it got to this support zone a few days ago, and it's been trying to go back on the full uptrend, but the movement has been very, very slow. So we've not been able to achieve that. Okay, all this while. Okay, so right now, I think it's getting prepared for that. So you can also have an eye on this. Okay, so it's possible for me to also give a good signal on this particular asset also within the Telegram channel. Okay, so because we starting the week in a good way. Okay, we made a lot yesterday. Okay, and that time we will be eating it back to back on within the last 3 days. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. So I'm really happy we are able to achieve this together. So you guys should put an eye on all these three assets which I have highlighted in this video, and you should remember those three things I asked you to look out for. The first thing is to check out if it's coming from a major resistance zone or a major support zone. Second thing is to check the trend. Okay, then the third thing is to get a good entry point for yourself. Okay, so once you are able to get it, okay, just the way I did it right here, I checked out the way the movement had been, and of course I tried to mark out the trends, and this helped me to mark out a good entry point for myself. Okay, and that was how we hit it. Okay, so that is it. So I wish you guys the best, and I hope you guys can share some trading results with me on WhatsApp. If you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.